What's up mga mananap na atakarog diri sa Ayala Center, Cebu. Ug nata diri sa Cebu Travel Catalog International. Woo! So guys, actually travel event siya guys. So naatay daghan diri nga mga travel agency, mga hotels, mga about travel. Ato rin may buhaw ano na ato po tanon some of the mga stalls diri kay very big event og saba kayo but aligre ug enjoy. So unsa may maabot you guys? Arat na! Nag-start siya guys actually karon no 10:30 in the morning, February 13 to 15, 2026. Wonder Beyond Borders Travel, Cebu Travel Catalog International, celebrating 10 years of endless journey. So, dere makita ninyo guys, we have Newport World Resort. So, asam name Newport World Resort. So, daghang mga activities dere. Kada taon natin interviewon na rin some of the mga tao nga na rin travelers. So, secretariat. So, about good diri guys ang ilang kwan. Here, Migo. Right. So, we have Migo guys, amazing safari journey. So, we have Sir Dilia. He's the owner of Migo. So, sir, currently you are here in Ayala Center, Cebu.
Yes.
For the travel event.
Yes.
So, sir, do you have any promos right now going to safari travel?
Yeah, we do actually. We have a promo for May. We call it the familiarization trip for people who don't have too much time
Okay.
and who want to spend less. So it costs something like $2,700 in Lux accommodations, excluding international airfare.
Right, nice. Sir, for how many days is that?
That's 6 days.
6 days, okay.
What I recommend to the people who are coming, I've told them, come early, take an extra day, relax, chill. Enjoy your step into Africa.
True. So, basically, sir, there are a lot of countries that people can go to.
Yes.
But how come specific Africa?
Wow. If you grew up with National Geographic, Discovery Channel, BBC Earth, all these things, and if you have a love for animals and nature, this is about as wild as you can get. You mix Lux with wild adventure.
True, right.
It's amazing.
It's actually once in a lifetime, right, sir?
No, it's not. That's what I first thought. I've been to Africa now 15 times, and I'm still going to go back some more. Everyone who's been with us has said Africa's life-changing. It's a real experience.
Okay, right. Sir, I just have a last question, sir.
Sure.
What are your requirements in going to Africa for that travel?
Well, you need to be an active person. You don't need to be super fit. You just have to be able to get in and out of SUVs. Because we use Land Rovers and Land Cruisers. And those are a little high. Now, for those who can't step too high, we put steps naman. So, it's easy.
Right, okay.
Almost anyone can do it unless you can't walk or... we've had people who have a hard time walking.
Right.
We still go. And we manage. We take care of them.
And do you have any age limitation?
I would say for children, you take your children once they're young enough or old enough to recognize animals. Well, you grew up with the Lion King, right?
Right.
So, all the kids have grown up with the Lion King. So this is the Lion King lion.
Right.
In terms of seniority, it's not the age, it's the fitness. Like I said, you don't need to be super fit. You just need to be active.
Okay, right. Sir, I'm pretty sure that our followers are very excited to go in Africa, sir. Where can they message you?
Look for Migo Expeditions. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook. And I will probably receive that message. So please, reach out. Migo Expeditions.
About you diri guys, no? Naran sa mga hotels diri, travel agency, dagan.
Señor, y cantanan ang Señor.
guys, we actually have Union Bank. If ganahan mo apply for a credit card, maybe if ganahan mo travel, we have a Union Bank credit card and get a free Krispy Kreme gift mo nila of promo nila as of now, no? 2 resorts, 1 hospitality. So, Bohol Beach Club. Hi, miss. Asan ni napita ang Cebu Beach
Beach Club.
Yes.
Sa Argo, sir.
Ah,
Cebu
Argo.
Province.
Okay, so far, mauro man na siya wala na line ko, ano? Kung saan na ka Cebu Beach Club, wala na line branch.
Beach Club. Napoy Bohol Beach Club,
Ah, napod.
sir. Sister
So,
company sila.
Sister company, okay. So, miss, currently, ang inyong promo is 6,800 pesos.
Super promo ni namo siya, sir.
Okay. 6,800 pesos. Pila na siya, good for 2.
Good for 2.
But,
With free
big.
breakfast.
With free
Yes.
breakfast. Okay, so overnight, no?
Oh,
O check in 2
overnight.
p.m.
3 p.m.
3 p.m. Nasa na rin.
3 p.m.
Okay.
siya, sir. Good for 1 year na siya ka voucher, sir.
So when you...
Magdepende if when ninyo ganahan i-avail.
I see.
Yeah.
So you mean to say, ang kanang 6,800 pesos is actually a voucher na pwede nimo siya anytime gamiton?
Yes.
Okay, good. So miss, when a person would like to avail that 6,800 pesos, do they have to walk in or kinalan sa pwede na mo dito dito?
Naroon sir.
Available.
Available.
Okay, so
Yes.
yes, so this is actually 3 days nga travel events, guys. So kaya mo avail na diretso lang mo dire. Yes. But also, for na mo any inquiries, you may also come here or PM their FB page.
Yes.
It's
You have our calling cards so also, sir.
the
if you
name of
want.
your Facebook page is.
Cebu Beach Club,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Sa
sir.
to yung name nyo mo, Mix?
Ana, sir.
Basta nakikinang panawagan ni Ana.
Wala.
Mahigala ni mo.
Family.
Ang family, di ba? Or Kayaban? Kayaban. Thank you so much.
Thank you kayo, sir.
So, napunta dere guys sa Costa Bella. So, nagkaroon kita mga kapilian dere no dahil mga hotels, travel and tours. If you are a frequent traveler, pwede. Metro Bank, so we also have a lot of banks here. Sheraton Hotels and Resorts, napunta. Hi! Hi, ma'am! Ikaw under ma'am manager?
Yes.
Okay. Mong sa current promo ninyo, ma'am, dere sa Sheridan Hotels and Resorts.
We have promos for Bantayan,
Okay.
specifically Anaya Beach Resort and Spa. Anaya Beach Resort in Santa Fe, Bantayan. So, as low as 1,988 good for 4 adults na siya.
Good for 4.
And this is just near the Santa Fe Port, 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
And we also have Anaya Villas, just fronting Virgin Island. So this is the best resort also here in Bantayan. So it's popularly known because of its white sand beach, 300 meter stretch beach line. And the villas are very serene and the property is 4 hectare big. So it's really, the space is very
Okay.
nice for relaxation for family and friends.
Okay. Ma'am, mo tanan ko kaning either 9,688 or 3,388. Nana siya free breakfast or wala pa?
This one siya room only. This one 3 good for 4 adults and 2 kids. And this one siya good for 2 nights man siya. Na siya inclusion with breakfast, round trip transfer, and crystal kayak. So you have a choice.
Okay. Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. And also, ma'am, if ever naatay mga followers ron ganahan mo avail, pwede mo diretso dire or
Yes.
also PM their Facebook page, no?
Yes, Facebook page or go
Okay.
directly here. Kinate promo sa card. Minimum of 3 months up to 1 year. Minimum 10,000.
I see, okay. Guys, please also like and follow their FB pages. The name of your FB page is Sheridan Hotels and Resorts.
Individually, sir, we have 11 properties in total.
Okay. So, lain-lain na siya kuhan, guys. So,
We have 4 points by Sheraton, Chindonas, Sheridan Boutique Hotel, Sheridan Organic Farm, Mandela Spa and Resort Villa, Sheridan Villas, Sheridan Boutique Resort, Anaya Beach Resort, Anaya Villas Resort, Anaya Beach Resort Siargao, and Anaya Inn Reservoir in
Okay.
Bohol.
Alright. Thank you so much,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Yes, ma'am. Unsa kita yung name mo, ma'am?
I am Catherine Gulfan.
Si Ma'am Catherine. Do you have any kanang basina kay panawagan, ma'am, or wash out?
Please visit us to avail our the best deals that we have for to be able to get our freebies too. Tumbler and dried mangoes from Bantayan.
Alright. So, actually, guys, actually promo specific or special promo dire if muari mo sa event, travel event. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Hi. Unsa yung name mo, Migs?
Blake, sir.
Taga-asa?
Here, sir. Here at Cebu City.
Cebu City.
Yes.
Unsa, so karon naama mo sa travel event. Unsa yung current promos ninyo karon?
We have our room promo and our dining promo, sir.
Okay. So, for good for 2, how much?
Good for 2, sir. For the no validity, we have 2-1, and for the book and buy, we have 1-9. Book and buy means if you have a specific date, you can check in. Pwede nato i-check sa reservation. We'll have the book and buy. For the no validity, that means you can avail the voucher and you can mo visit ka Golden Peak para i-claim ni mo when ka mo stay.
Okay. Miss, ang kanang yung voucher is
Yes.
only good for this specific travel event.
Yes,
Well,
po.
di siya available
Yes.
sa inyong hotel.
Dili, sir.
I see, okay. Miss, ang kanang yung room rates yung gihatag karon.
Yes, sir.
Does it include with the breakfast na?
No breakfast po siya.
Ah, no breakfast.
No breakfast
Okay.
po. Discounted rate siya, but no breakfast.
Okay. So guys,
But
pagdana
if you want, you can avail the dining credits for only 1,000, and for the dining credits na 500.
I see.
Promo siya 800 to 400.
Alright. So, Miss, thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much for your time.
Yes, and guys, please also like them and follow their Facebook page, Golden Peak Hotel and Suites. Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. So, man siya guys, napatay Water World if ganahan mo. Kanabitaw mo, water sports, so kanang especially mga bata guys. And also Pioneer Safe Trip. So, daghan gyud toyo pa ta diri guys. So, magkabuang nasa butay Tambuli diri Seaside Resort and Spa, Casa Verde Cliff Resorts and Spa, China Airlines, Radisson Red Hook Cebu. Afternoon. Ano say current promo ninyo karon Miss Radisson?
We actually have this sneak peek deal, sir. For the superior room, it would cost 5,000. For the deluxe room, 6,000.
I see.
Yeah.
Miss, ang kanang 5,000 also 6,000. Is it good for two lang?
Good for two, with
Good for
breakfast
two.
included.
With breakfast na siya?
Yes.
Is it only breakfast?
Every day. Every day. If ever you're staying for 3 nights, you get that Toloka voucher.
Okay.
Yeah, buffet breakfast.
Buffet. There you go. Okay. Thank you so much. And also, Miss, ang kani yung current promo karon is only exclusive and specific only for the travel event.
Yes.
Di siya,
Actually, this is a pre-opening deal. So this is the lowest price that we can provide right now.
I see. Okay. Alright. So, guys, ari na mo guys sa Red Radisson, Red Cebu. Yes. Magwapa kayo. Yes, oh. Magkani may mahalin. Gayawan. Sige, thank you so much. Ano sa name ni mo, Mix?
Rika,
Basta
taga-Arcao.
yung gana kay panawagan mga kayaban yan. Kayaban. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's not here.
Diba? Alright. Yes. Basta kayo mabubok. Joke lang. Joke. Thank you. Huwag na. Alright, so natay Club Windham dere. So magpa-renter guys, muna siya ang stage guys. So lakaw lang ta dere. Hong Kong Tourism Ambassador. Napagsatay ka ng wow travel dere, visa processing dere lapita guys. Wonder Lanes Travel Co. Incorporated. So, nagkan. Ito lang siya tuyo po guys. So, nagkan, di ka na siya dari mga exhibitors na mga. So, Sun Travel. Hi. Land, Sky, and Travel Service. Yeah, travel agency, no?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. So, unsa may kanang current promo ninyo karon?
Ano may Switzerland, sir. Mo gid ni
Ah,
kami
Switzerland.
mo access ani sir. Switzerland, o Holy Land. Namin sad may mga Asia nga package.
Okay. So, currently kanang sa Switzerland, pila na siya ka days?
Mahog siya 12 days, sir.
Mo ba?
Yes, sir.
So, just in case na mo inquire ba asa yung office or asa mo PM?
Sa River Gate, sir, kanang beside sa Iglesia ni Cristo.
Okay.
Sa
Mango?
Mango Avenue, yes.
Okay.
General Maxillops.
And also, you have your Facebook page?
Yes,
Asa yung
that's
Facebook
Sky
page?
Travel.
Okay, thank you so much. Ano yung name mo, Mix?
Carrie.
Basta na kay panawagan.
Panawagan ako, mama.
Hey, sis! Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Toyota dali. We also have Four Seasons in Korea, Japan Travel Agency, Movenpick, Hotel Mactan Island. So, money current room rates nila. Kasi, kung ano, please like and subscribe. Actually guys, there is a Movenpick na sila promo. Before ang price is 3,000 each per person, but karon 3,000 pesos, good for 2 persons na guys. So, inclusions of access to the hotel facilities, welcome drink, 2,000 pesos net worth of dining credits, use of locker and shower room, access to the chocolate hour, 10% discount on additional a la carte orders. Usap may babot nyo guys? Arats na! Diba na? Mo siya, Movenpick. Ano ba yung kagwapa na itong paano? Sheesh! Diba?
Today, on behalf of the Cebu Tours and Travel Association, it is truly an honor to welcome you to the opening of the Cebu Travel Catalog International 2026.
I declare open
It's lunchtime, guys. That's it. Pinakbet. Bet na bet ang pinakbet.